Hello friends, in this video we will gonna see how to connect Git repository in cPanel Git version control feature. Let's jump in the video. This video available in multiple languages. To change the audio, go to settings of the video. Click audio tray. Now you can change preferred audio language. In this video I will show you how to connect GitHub repository using cPanel Git version control feature. Also I will show you one demo after changes in code how to pull update from Git version control to live directory. Log into your cPanel directly. Under File section, click Git version control. Here you will see the create option. Click the create option. Default you will see a clone a repository toggle option. You can leave the default option as it is. Here you will see a clone URL option. You have to paste the Git repository URL. Now go to your GitHub account which you want to clone the repository. Here I am created a sample index.html file. Now I am going to clone the repository to cPanel. Click the code option. Here you will see the HTTPS URL. Copy the URL. In the cPanel clone URL option, paste the URL. Once you have pasted the clone URL, the repository path and other fields will be automatically entered. Repository path is a home directory path. You can mention your subdomain, add-on domain or your main website path. I am pointing to main website, so I am entering public HTML. If you want to point to a subdomain, you can mention subdomain path. You can mention the subdomain directory path as you have created in file manager like this. As I want to point repository to main website, so I am leaving public HTML path. Repository name you can leave as default. Click create option. Here I am getting an error. The folder contains already existing files. Before cloning the repository, your main website has to be empty. Go to the cPanel main menu. Click file manager. Click the public HTML path here. You can see the file is already present. That's why you are getting error. Double click and delete the file. Right click and click delete option. Right set, click the setting option. Tick the show hidden file option and click save. You can see hidden htaccess files. Double click and delete this file as well. File manager is empty for your main website. Go to the Git version control. Now try to connect the repository. Here you can see successful message clone is completed. Go to the file manager, see whether the file is present in your public HTML or not. Go to the file manager, click public HTML. Here you can see the files from the GitHub repository. Now you can see the file is cloned from Git repository to cPanel main website. Now open your browser and type the website. You can see the website content. Suppose if you have made any changes on your Git version control system files or added any lines or remove lines, whether it will reflect your main website content? The simple answer is no. Any changes you have done on GitHub account, you have to pull manually from Git version control to cPanel. See how to do that. I am making changes on Git version control files. In the index.html file, I am replacing and adding one extra file, moving the part git repo and adding the web hosting provider. I am clicking the commit changes option. In the commit changes button, your code files will be saved. Now if you load the website, whether the website content has changed or not, let's check. I am loading the website now. Changes has not been reflected on this website. Changes to be reflected on the website, you have to go cPanel Git version control feature to pull the changes. Go to your cPanel, search Git version control. Click the manage option next to your repository. The pull or deploy option. In the left hand side, you will see the option update from remote. Click the option. Changes will be updated on your website. Reload the website again now. You can see the changes on the website. I hope with this video you can able to connect Git repository in cPanel. If this video helps you, please like, comment, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.